This video is to demonstrate how to use MyPermitNow. This is the URL to log into mypermitnow.org login ASPX. It is created by Government for Government MGO, My Government Online. To log in, you have two options. You have Customer Portal and Jurisdiction Portal. You will be using the latter one because you are a reviewer from the city. So then click on it, please. Then you get to this screen that says sign in with your email and password. So type in your email, create here. I'll be using the one from the city and the password. You should have received a temporary password that was valid for only 10 days. If you didn't use it in those 10 days, it probably locked you out already. You will need to request another password. When you log in, you will see this, mypermitnow.org, home, projects, plan review, work orders, reports, help, MGO, connect live. And on the right hand side, you see welcome, Oscar Ortiz. You will be seeing Craig Kerkhoff. You have these options, log out, change password, my account. So the first thing you need to do is change your password from temporary to something permanent that you know and you like. So you click on change password, please, and it takes you to this. It will be displaying your name instead of mine, the date the profile was created, last login, demographic information. If you keep scrolling down a little bit, please, you will see the account information. And then here is where you need to change your password and the secret answer. Then you need to save. I'm not going to save because I have my password already and I don't want to change it. Then from here, then you go to projects and then department queue. This is where you will find the projects assigned for review to you. You do department queue, click on it, please. Then under department queue, you see all these jurisdiction menus. You don't need to change or do anything right here. Then on this side, under assign to, there's a drop-down menu that says all users. You can click on it and it will display the names of all the people that have been assigned to review permits. I'm going to show you how it looks from my side and then we'll do your side. Okay, so I will do Oscar Ortiz and then search. Then if I scroll down, it will be displaying all the permits that have been assigned for my review. In this case, it's the one in question is 2500 County Road 211 in Alvarado. So under here you see a notepad with a pencil, right? So but let me log in from your perspective, how you will see it. So you go back up, you see under assign to, you will be changing that to your name, Kerkhoff, Craig, and then search. Takes a moment and you scroll down, you will see the permit that has been assigned to you. So the project number is 2023-59 permit, priority, status, spending on the review, address 2500 County Road 211, the date in the queue, the assigned to, Craig Kerkhoff, the sign date, the due date, and actions, right? So to review these, what you need to do is go back here where it has the notepad with the pencil, click on it, then now you are looking at the permit. You see here under project number 2023-59. So you keep scrolling down. This information has been input by the permit technician or the applicant. So then you have the applicant's name and you keep scrolling down. You will see under document management, the associated files, you have the plat application, the final plat, or plat in this case, the electric service letter. You can display those on a different tab. If you right click and open link in new tab, right click, open link in a new tab, right click, open link in a new tab, and you will see each of these documents. The first one is the application. The applicant fill out this PDF form and then print it out, scan it, and upload it. This you find the name of the subdivision, Sunset Ranch. It's a minor plat. the address 2500 County Road 211, the property parcel ID, property owner information, and then the signatures and the representation. The second one, you find the plat that has a name. It's a minor plat. So now we are doing administrative plat, so they don't have to go to planning and zoning or city council. We can now approve it administratively. So lot 1, block 1, Sunset Ranch, in addition to the ETJ of the city of Venus, Johnson County. This is County Road 211, and west is where you find the property located. It's 9.503 acres. You have the property description, the legend, the surveyor's notes, the signature blocks, right? And the third one right here, you see the will serve letter that was sent by Encore Electric Delivery Service for that property. But you can download this to your computer and use PDF or any type of permitting software like Bluebeam or anything that you can do markups. So you do the markups and then you go back to project and you can upload those markups on those files that you have on their additional files or add additional plan review file, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment as well. But then if you have comments, you can add the comments. If you scroll up a little bit on the review comments, you have review type and you have a drop down menu as well. So you will be selecting, you have building review, engineering facilities review, engineering inspection, engineering review, planning review, and public safety. You will be reviewing on their engineering review, and you can select a category here: drainage, environmental, fire, general, wastewater, or water. You can do general, and then the actions you have: approve, deny, pending, cautionary. If you're gonna approve or deny, let's say if you're gonna deny, you just click here, 2500 County Road 211 needs X to be revised. That's when you do deny. Just you add your comment, and you can add that by saving it and clicking on here, and it will be displayed here. I'll show you. That's right there, and you see the comment here on their engineering review, category general, engineering review deny by Oscar Ortiz. In this case, if you do that review and deny, it will be Craig Kerkhoff. This circle in red with a white line, it's useful because you can click on it and you can remove the comment. Are you sure you want to remove this comment? You say yes, and then you can do just type in, oh, it was a mistake, and do OK, and it gets deleted, right? So you don't need to do anything right there. But in the case after that, the step number 2, it's going to up over here next to project where it says requirements. If you click on it and then you just scroll down a little bit, you skip all this all the way down to where you see priorities. It will be in this case priority number 2, current priority. So your name is under environmental control. You see this briefcase here, you click on it, and then that's where it's assigned Craig Kerkhoff to you. You click here and you toggle back that. So if, let's say now, the second thing is you need to click on it, and then it also has a drop down menu that if you deny it, it will be, okay, well, it needs info, right? And then you can save it, and that means it's kicked back to the applicant with comments and revisions that you need to see. So it will be a second submittal, right? But let's assume that you are satisfied with the comments that you are already in the second or third round review of comments. Then it will not be needs info, it will be completed. So you check that, and that directs you to a second screen where you, if you're going to stamp or you're going to provide a signature on those plans, you can do that. So you do select, and then you look for your file where you did the markups, select it, open it, and then you can type here, I don't know, like engineering has reviewed and approved the plat, for instance, right? Then you can make this note private by clicking on it. That means that only the people from the city will be able to look at it. And then you can do set status to complete. So that means that the permit has been approved and it's already deleted from your queue. I will check back this again to be to do because it hasn't been reviewed. So I'm gonna make it back where it was before that says to do. Um, it just take a moment, wait for it, and then we can scroll down on their priority number 2 right here. That's to do, hasn't been reviewed, right? Um, yeah, that's basically it. The first thing I will do is please change your temporary password to a permanent password. If you already are locked out because it took so long to change the password, you can email Jessica Ledet. Um, I'll be sharing that with you in an email. And then, yeah, you can ask me questions. I will send you this tutorial shared by using YouTube. Thank you so much, Gray, and I hope to talk to you soon and get the reviews in better way and faster with this new permitting software. Thank you so much.